Let me paint a picture for you. So there I was, riding our most recently finished project, the Scrap Maxi. When all of a sudden I realized, of all the bikes that I could be riding, why am I riding the Scrap Maxi? I mean, it doesn't even have a cushion on the seat. I immediately turned around to grab my Christmas Maxi so we can practice some more wheelies. And I know what you're thinking, where's your helmet? And I forgot it, okay? I'm sorry. Don't try this at home. However, after that amazing ride, I knew I had to do something to make the Scrap Maxi a little bit more comfortable to ride. So I headed to my local craft store, got some really thick cushioning, and some super baller fabric. And now that we have everything we need, we're ready to start working on this thing. I start by tracing the seat pan, and then cutting the foam out. Then I do the same thing with the fabric, except this time I cut 2 extra pieces out for the back and the sides of the seat. I originally was only going to do 1 piece of fabric to cover this seat, but I ended up pulling out my wife's sewing machine and giving it a try at reupholstering it. And honestly, I gotta say, I think I'm a pro. I think I'm just a pro at this. It came out pretty good. And honestly, I don't really care if this thing falls off, so I'm just going to use these little spikes here that I saw, and if it falls off, it falls off. And boom, look at that, guys. It is gorgeous. There are no imperfections. This thing is smooth. All the corners are crisp. I can't believe the way this thing came out. There's just one thing left to do, and that is put this thing back together and throw it back on the Scrap Maxi. And now all we have left to do is install the seat, take it for a ride, and see how it feels. Wow, look at that, guys. Doesn't that look slick? Wow. I would say probably a 10 out of 10. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. 10 out of 10? And with that, guys, I appreciate you sticking to the end. Let me know what you guys think of the seat. Obviously, this was a little bit silly of a video. I obviously don't love the seat, but I just kind of thought it'd be funny. So if you made it this far, feel free to like the video and subscribe. You don't have to, but with that, guys, it's starting to rain. I gotta get back home. It's really cold out. It's like 40 degrees. So I'm gonna go freeze my butt off and go back home. See you guys. See you in the next one.